What's up guys, Ibrahim's Tech here, back again with another video. So in this video, I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone SE 2020. So let's get started. If you buy an iPhone SE right now, there is gonna be no charger in the box. And with any other iPhone brand new, this was the last box with a charger in it, so I got this one, but all the other ones don't have charger in it anymore. There is a charging brick in the box and it's a 5-watt charging brick. There are lightning earphones included in the box. And then there's a normal USB-A to lightning connected cable for charging your phone. I'm actually really excited to test this phone out, especially because of the A13 Bionic. Because the A13 Bionic is the same chip that is in the iPhone 11 and the 11 Pro, so I'm really excited to check this out. Honestly, in my opinion, this red looks really nice. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys very soon in the next one. Peace.